Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. This here is an TECKIN smart wall switch lighting. Wait, what? A smart wall light switch, okay? By TECKIN. Get it? And it's a Type 80. I don't know what it means, Type 80, but I think it's like a turnable thing. So it has an evil thing around it. But I do like it that they come in like this kind of proper, package thing. Yes, man. Let's do it with a knife. There we go. Do it with a knife, man. It's open. Open sesame. Let's do this, man. Which angle? What? Okay, I think it comes from here. Yep, look at that, man. And how does it... No, it's a clickable thing. I think it has two channels in here. 1 and 2, I believe. So, wall switch. I don't even need a manual to know how to connect this up. Electricity is easy, guys. Let's see. Neutral. Live. Let me show you. Like this, I think. Wait, what's this? Out. Why does it have 3 outs? Okay, yeah, that's input, that's obvious, that's neutral and live, you need 2 inputs, but why does it have 3 outputs? That makes no sense. It has only 2 switches but 3 outputs. Maybe I do need the manual. It makes 0 sense though, but comes with 2 screws, so it's gonna go into any, place. It's a normal one, it can... Wait, actually I don't know. I think the EU ones are... No, I think it fits into anything. It goes into UK and EU ones, so... Like the wall socket things, so... But, well, so... You have to connect it up, as you can see. Inputs, outputs, and then you can click the switches in here, so... But that's a smart switch, so it connects up to the app, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna put it on a wall because I have nowhere to install it right now, but I do have a cable. And the other end is just like this, just an old cable. I'm gonna connect this up in here, then plug this in, so it gets the power, and then I'm gonna put the output into a light or something, and I will demonstrate how it works, so... But first things first, I'm gonna check out how to connect this up with the app, and then I'll come back to it. Actually, guys, before I move on, I'm gonna actually connect this up, and sometimes I just don't look properly. There is no free input, see? These are inputs, these ones, I mean outputs, but this one, that's just blank, see? There's nothing here, it's blank, so I didn't notice it. I was just reading these things, and I'm like, why is the third one in here? There's 2 places in here, so... Yeah, my first thought was right, there is only 2 of them, so it's very easy to connect up, guys, live and neutral. They don't even have to be this way around, because this is not like plus and minus that you can, short circuit it. But it is better if you actually connect live to live and neutral to neutral. This one, I have no idea which one live is, so I'm going to just put it whatever. It's not going to matter, it's not going to blow anything up. The only thing is that if you turn it off, then it actually turns the live off, and this is better. You don't really want to turn the neutral off. It's like a kind of a safety thing, So if you turn the live off, then there is no way you can get an electric shock beyond the point where you connect the live. But if you turn the neutral off, then the live still runs through entire circuitry, and it's still under, power, and all you need to do is just touch it, and boom! Then you get the, electric shock. So that's basically the idea, that always the switches and everything that turns power off should always be connected between the live and not the neutral. So, but either way, it's going to turn it off, so it's not going to matter on just this test. So I just wanted to explain this. I think I will do it off camera, I'm not sure. Let's see. This is neutral. I'm going to have to do it like so. And then we put the screw in. Dun, dun, dun. If you're wondering how tight it should be, well, just finger tight. Make sure it doesn't pop out. I think I need to cut this off a little bit. It's a bit too long in here. Yep, I have to cut this off, guys. Not the right tools for it exactly, but it will do. Maybe not, damn it. There we go. This is cut off. I don't know what this here is. This is in my way too. Let's cut this off too. So, yeah, this is not how you should do it, but little bit weird, man, how I connect it right now. But it'll work. It'll work. Trust me. It's okay. I'm a professional. I know what I'm doing. So connect this up. This is just for the test, guys. Just for the test. Okay. Looks fine to me, guys. So, right, I just wanted you to see how I connect this up. The other ones I'll do the same. I'll just connect output in there, and then I'll come back to it. Yeah, you probably, if you knew what I was doing, you probably like, what is it doing, mean? You also need to connect the neutral in here, the other neutral. You need to connect all neutrals in here, so the light in here is gonna be in here. The neutral is also gonna be in here, so need to connect this in there too. Whoops, not like so, but you get the idea. I can just leave this part out and just come back to it. But yeah, if you have like 2 switches in here, 2 lights, all the neutrals go in here, so that's what you need to do. Alrighty, guys, this is connected up now, so if I should press something, let's try up. No, that's on. It clicks, I can see something in here. See like a slight light in here. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a light in there. And this should turn the light on. There we go. So no no blow-ups. I'm gonna turn the main light off and show you. Yeah, look in here now. If I press this, see, there's like a small light in here. See? And the same should be in here. Yeah, there is, but I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, you should be able to clearly see it. There's like a blue light, see, like a UFO thing. So that means it's on. This means it's off. But now I'm gonna check how to do this through the app. Well, guys, it looks like they're all the same. They all use the smart app thing now. So you just go in here on the tablet and click the plus icon in the app, I think. Whoops, I don't know what I'm showing you. Add manually, it comes up. Then we want lighting, I think. No, not lighting. Let's see. I'm not sure which one it is. It says wall switch, but there is no such thing. So let's try smart switch. I think this is a smart switch. So, but how do I get it to blink like this? Let's try. I don't know how to get this blinking. I'm gonna have to check now. Alright, that's actually quite easy. You simply hold. See, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's blinking in here now. You simply hold it for about 7 to 8 seconds. Just keep holding it until you hear another click, and then this light in there starts blinking. That's all you need to do. So let's get the device, confirm that it's rapidly blinking. So now I believe you have to enter your wireless information, your the access point, see your wireless name, the password, click confirm. And then it should start pairing. I said click confirm. There we go. So I'm gonna just put this in there, and it should be done in less than a minute. Alrighty, I think it's done. So what does it say? KS6112. I'll just leave the name as it is. I'm not gonna mess with them, you know. Done. This app is not actually supported on Nexus 7 tablet, which I'm using. You're supposed to use a newer one, but I got it working, so yeah, it's a little bit, you know, kicking back, as you say. Done. Come on, it's done. Bzzz. Come on, I think it crashed. Yeah, it crashed, but it's because this tablet is well, old and they don't want to support it, so what can you do? You can't even originally install it on this one on some reason. I had to do some, you know, bypassing and stuff, and yeah. Long story, literally 3-hour story. Took me 3 hours to install this app, but if you have a newer device, it shouldn't be a problem. I just want to mention it because people always try to force you to update the stuff. But anyway, you have 2 switches in here. And if you click, this one should be the light. Let's go in here. There we go. Yep, that's the light. See, I turned the review light off for a reason. So, see, that's the light, and the other one is the other one. It also has 2 lights. Yeah, you can clearly see it. Look at this one. I'm gonna press it. And 3, 2, 1. I don't know how well you can see it. on this thing in here, the top light, look at the top one. See, it goes like brighter. That's on, that's off. And same with the bottom one. See, on, and I can click off from here. So yeah, this is how it works, guys. You need this Smart Life app, and that's all there is. So it's an awesome switch. What can you say? These lights are always on, these LEDs. So it's like if you're in the dark, then you know where to click. So I was thinking it's like kind of dimmable. You can turn it, but I don't think you can. Let's actually check what is in here. Open all. This is just all on. This thing in here. No, that's off. Off. Go off. And you can set it on a timer too if you want. So but that's pretty much all there is, guys. It's a very basic thing, very easy to set up, as you can see. So TECKIN wall switch. This is universal, really. It works with anything because it doesn't have plugs. You just connect it up the way I showed and it works. So guys, I hope this answers your questions, how to install it, how to set it up, how to connect, how to everything, and I will see ya next time.